He's done. He was better off the line that time.
Oh my God!
It seems to top out at like 113. Hooked well. Oh, he had a really good launch.
Wow.
Keep going, keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing. Yes, that's better. Woohoo!
What did you do?
This is a tri-motor car, right? But it had firmware on it from a dual motor car. The tri-motor Cyberbeast cars have a speed limiter of 130, so they just put the proper firmware on for this particular car. So it's like what a customer has, because this is an engineering car and the engineers have been like doing testing and they left the old firmware on and blah, 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 blah.
So what time did you get?
Well, this to the thing to find out. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. The Hummer took 12 seconds. Right, and Sam, now we're going to have a rolling race. And we're going to race the quarter mile. Do it from 30 mile an hour, then I'll call it in and we'll see who gets the quarter mile first, okay? It'd be really good to see the pickup between the two cars when you're rolling from 30 miles an hour. Let's do it. Get level with me then, younger man. Get to 30 pretty quickly. Come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The way this put its power down was pretty special. Let's be honest, they both picked up really quick, but this just picks up quicker, right? It's less inertia.
I think this against anything else electric for its size would be incredible, but I think that's just another level fast, isn't it?
Yeah, but it is weight, right? I mean, we're talking an extra ton, and you're having to shift that extra ton like that. No chance.
I'd love to put some cement bags into the back of that and see what had actually made a difference. I still think it would be almost the same.
I've got an idea. Right, and Sam, so what I've done to try and even the balance a little bit, I've added some ballast. Probably not enough ballast, but let's just check. So I've got 4 passengers now. So, how heavy are you?
87 kilos.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
How about you?
80.
80, what are you?
82.
82. Really? You're 82?
82.
What are you made out of? Depleted uranium?
84.
Bloody hell! I'm like 73. Let's see what that does though, right?
Formal protest about Rory's weight. I don't believe that.
No. How heavy are you really?
No, 87. Genuinely.
That was before you came on this trip. Last night you had 6 pints.
That's true. That is true.
You're at least 90 now. So
Yeah.
350 kilos we're talking probably that I've just added to this, which still doesn't get anywhere near the weight of that. Do you want to call this one in, actually, Sam?
Okay, get level, get level, get level. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, you cheated! You absolutely cheated. Doesn't matter. It's irrelevant.
Limiter.
Look at that on its nose. You cheated a little bit there with your 3, 2, 1, go.
I had to do something. I didn't cheat that much. I was just enthusiastic with it.
Mate, you totally cheated and I still came past you. I think the added weight really made no difference to me.
They can stay in there for the braking test, right?
In fact, you know what? Head back to the start, got an idea. Right, we're going to do a quarter mile.
I think I'm in with the shot here. When I hit 106, I'm going to say now, and that's the end of the race, because it's not fair that you can just keep accelerating away.
You want to see who gets to 106 first as well as who does the quarter mile first?
Yeah.
That well-known standard of racing, the 106 mile an hour race, yeah? Okay, let's do that.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you've lost. You 106 nonsense.
Now!
Mate, I beat you to 106.
How do you know? You didn't hear me say now.
I was ahead of you the whole race, which means I have to have beaten you to 106.
Details. You're on fire, by the way. You'll notice my brakes aren't smoking, but whatever.
Okay. That didn't actually make much difference at the time.
Nope. Yeah, pretty impressive.
Do you want to find out what it is? Let's do the thing. So then, what exactly happened? Well, with a Tesla loaded with people, it did the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. The Hummer took 12 seconds again. Now we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. See which car stops in the shortest distance when we reach the cones. Whichever car stops in the shortest distance does win. Here we go.
Come on!
I don't think that I did a very good job there.
I agree.
I want another go.
And as this is the most safety conscious thing we're doing, I think realistically I'm a heavier car and I beat you, so I win the entire video.
Anyway, listen, I really hope you enjoyed the video. It's been so much fun shooting this. Love this thing. It's bizarre, kooky, interesting. Not perfect. Obviously just been beaten in a brake test by that. But, wow. What a thing. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some more videos, click on the video windows, and if you click on the Car Wow icon, you can go to Car Wow to compare this car's quarter mile time to everything else we've ever done.